collectors and gift givers. Today we are taking a look at the Rainbow High house. This is pretty large for my table. The box says it stands 4 feet tall. Wow. And I think it weighs like 60 pounds. So I'm going to go ahead and put this thing together and we'll be back. It's done. That took a while. It took me 2 hours to build it. Or actually, maybe it was like an hour and a half because I was watching a movie. But that could be the reason why it took me an hour and a half, because I was watching a movie. Anyhow, here's the house. I can't show the whole thing at once because it's just a little too large for my film area. In fact, I didn't even attach the top. I left it as a separate piece to make it easier to film in. And that's probably how I am going to keep it, but keep in mind, I am an adult doll collector. This house is pretty much for me. However, if I planned on giving this to children, I would have followed the instructions. All right, who wants a look around? Oh, I do. I'm in the market for a house, so yeah, a tour would be nice. Nice look. Yeah, love the hair. Back at ya. So let's start the tour. This is a new construction, like literally, I just built it. And let me tell you, this thing was heavy. I was struggling. Oh wow, so is this a wooden house? Well, this is plastic right here, the columns and the door. But as for the main structure of the house, you know, like the walls and stuff, it is a wood-like substance. Wood-like? Well, technically it is wood. I mean, it's just not like planks of mahogany or anything. It's MDF, or at least it looks that way to me, which helps to make a smooth surface, but it is crazy dense. That's probably why it's so heavy. But check out this curb appeal, huh? You like that RH sign right there? Now let's go inside. Oh, and the doors can open both directions, so that's nice. When you first walk in, there's an RH on the floor. How you like that detail, huh? And we have these pastel marble floors, shine included. Okay, so, you know, the columns are really cool, but they're kind of obstructing the view just a little. I put them on near the end of the construction, so if you really needed to like get a shot, I'm sure you could just remove them and then put them back. I mean, this one is not really even holding anything up. All right, moving into the house. Let's go. Wow, look at these high ceilings. I know, right? They're a little under 14 inches. So, you know, if you have any Integrity Toy friends, they can stand in the room. What's up, Nigel? Great height for Barbie and Ken dolls. And technically, it could work for OMG as well. Okay, I can appreciate a high ceiling, and if I want to, I can install lights. Girl, you read my mind. I already got the puck lights. Looks nice. Yeah, I agree. I just used a little poster putty up there to attach it so I wouldn't damage the dollhouse, and I have the option of moving it around. So this is our living room. There's a bookcase with lots of little details with stuff like books and picture frames. And there's a printed cabinet underneath. On the back wall, we have a large painting of a unicorn in a cloud with a rainbow. Yeah, there's a lot going on. And there are 2 lights on the sides. There's a gold and marble desk with more details and a lamp. Aww, I can't get any of the books. And that book Storyteller looks like a good read. Yeah, a lot of the details are printed onto the walls, but that's kind of standard with commercial dollhouses. Kind of like our printables. Now, I have to say this because, you know, I believe in full disclosure when buying a house. I was just looking at the LOL Surprise house, and the printed images were super clear. On this house, I am noticing that the images are a little grainy. You see that? It's kind of like little dots all over the place. So the images are not as crisp as I would like to see them, but that could just be this house, and other houses could be different. But check out the sectional. Am I detecting a little bit of give there? Yeah, it's kind of squishy, like a Barbie head. It has a pearly finish and gold legs, and it's a pretty decent size for other dolls as well. There is also a rainbow chair with a gold base. Go ahead, try it out. What do you think? I think it's pretty good. The rainbow paint job is definitely on brand. If you walk this way, we can go into the bathroom. Wow, lots of space. I think the sink is pretty cute. I like this faux marble here. The white sink is nice. The silver fixtures. We have a little touch of purple at the bottom. And is it attached to the tub? Yes, it's a tub shower combo. There is a water feature where the shower actually has water coming down and you can get water out of the sink. However, I will probably never use that because MDF and water makes me a little nervous. But I'm loving that purple tile, and that shower head is like one of those rain shower heads. All of the fixtures are pretty modern. I absolutely love all of the design. And the tub is a pretty nice size. The shower is also really cool. However, taller dolls might have a problem. Check out that all white toilet. No purple, no pink. It's just white. And we can lift the top up too. Overall, I'm totally loving the color schemes. I know it has a rainbow theme, but it's not like overbearing or anything. Well, if you like this, you're gonna love upstairs. Actually, we don't really have stairs. It's an elevator. Personally, I would have preferred stairs because they look great in photos. And we're going up. Sorry, it kind of moves a little slow as you're pushing it. Yep, there we go. This is the laundry room. I think it's pretty cool that this house comes with a laundry room, a room that's often neglected by doll houses, seriously. Ooh, we get another clothing rack. I love those. Complete with hangers and another clear trunk. There are fun details printed onto the walls, like laundry and cabinets. On the other side, there is a printed shelf with some products, a neon light sign, and a few real hooks. Yeah, these are real. You can actually hang stuff on them. Ooh, I like the washing machine. It's white and silver. The door can open. We can put laundry inside, close it, then push the button and watch them spin. There we go. You just gotta keep pushing it. Oh, and did you see the floors? Right next to the laundry room, we have the kitchen area. Definitely one of my favorite rooms. Yep, I could get used to this. Is this a faux marble island? Yeah. Complete with a stool? Yeah. And a white and gold dining room table with clear chairs? Yeah. There's a table setting for two. Check out the sink with cabinets and drawers that open. Did you know this was a double sink? Yeah. And the house comes with a gold rainbow high toaster, a silver colored refrigerator that opens. I left a few snacks in there for you. The drawer comes out and there's a little freezer area underneath. There's a full-size stove with a faux marble backsplash and a little hood or vent at the top. The oven can open, and there is a rack in there. However, mine is bent. And there's a drawer underneath with more storage. And this house comes complete with a skillet. Do you want me to cook you something? I think I know us pretty well. Cereal might be safer. Good point. And that comes with the house too, along with all these drinks. Did you notice this? There is a doll stand attached to the stool to help us stay in place. And it's removable. Now, the angle of my camera might make it look like I'm a little too tall for this kitchen, but I think it can totally work because I'm going to make it work. But I thought this house was for me. I believe I said who wants a tour, not who wants a house. I don't know why we have quite so many drinks. Maybe it's from the show or something, but I would have gladly traded them for like more kitchen appliances, like a blender to match that toaster. There are little things that I could complain about, like the images on the wall not matching up, but it's not a big deal to me. I mean, Rainbow High and I have had quite a few quality control issues. But I just keep coming back because I like the overall vibe of Rainbow High. I mean, the decor, marble countertops, the clear chairs, the gold, and this is Playline, priced at $199. All right, enough gushing about the kitchen. Let's go to the next floor. This is the bedroom. It's red. Well, it's also a little pink on this side. There's a printed neon light sign. It says Rainbow High. There's a little table with some decorative items. Loving the fact that the neon light sign is actually plugged into the wall. There's a corkboard, a body form that says Rainbow High 2021. It looks similar to the one that comes with Jet Dawson. If you put it in front, it kind of looks like a reflection. I don't know. What do you think? I think it's kind of cool. Hey, is this bed soft? Just like the couch, there is a little give there. The bed is a nice size. What is it, like a full or a queen? Usually we only get twins. It has a cream-colored headboard. Looks good all the way around. Oops, I left the sticker. And the bedding is like a jersey fabric, you know, like on t-shirts. And it's pretty cool because it lays nicely. The pillows are embroidered to say Sparkle. I'm gonna be picky real fast. I do apologize, but I just can't help myself. So I wish they would have did a blind stitch to close up this pillow rather than sewing on top. But you know, it's not a deal breaker for me because these pillows are actually soft and made of fabric. Yes, made of fabric. There's a laptop. It's a silver color, which is nice. And I like that it was made with a hinge, so it closes nice and neat. However, my sparkle sticker is all messed up. Is it supposed to be that way? Love the images on the back wall. Dreaming is always in fashion and a neon sign. And all of those little printed details on the bookcase are pretty cute too. We have a white and gold nightstand and a makeup palette with a mirror. It's black with Rainbow High written in gold lettering. What can I say? It's classy. And I like the luggage in the back. There are a lot of printable backgrounds, but I like it. I've never had a problem with printables. The room is spacious. The furniture items that are included are a nice size. I agree. The proportions are pretty good. So let's draw up the paperwork so I can buy this house. I haven't even finished the tour, and I never said it was for sale. Hello, it's a Rainbow High house. I'm a Rainbow High mini Toya. Hey! Oh yeah, and there's a skylight. Huh, I forgot more stickers. Ooh, there's a balcony with a hot tub. Nice! There's an acrylic railing with gold post. The side wall looks like luggage with a Rainbow High print. And we have another marble tiled floor with a soft rainbow effect. I know the luggage is very on brand, but I would have loved to have seen something that was, more like a house. However, I could use it as a step and repeat. Now, what about that hot tub? Wait! I know this has a water feature. After filling the tub with water, you can push this button right here, and then it'll look like there is water blowing or air blowing out of the jets. But I'm not a huge fan of the water with my dollhouse, so I'm just gonna put some plastic wrap in there, and we can pretend like it's bubbling. No mess. Overall, my opinion of the Rainbow High house is a good one. Yeah, we had a few hiccups. But I like the interior design, the spacious floor plan, and the accessories. However, the size is a little troublesome for me. You gotta clear out some space for all this. Personally, I would have loved to have seen individual room play sets so we can mix and match and move things around a little easier. But then again, I use my dolls and toys for photography and making videos, so my concerns may not be the same as everyone else's. So what you're saying is, I can have this house? I don't know. Let me get back to you on that. Thank you for joining us while we gave a tour of the Rainbow High house. Priced at $199, we bought ours at Target. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. And follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Bye! Let me get this straight. If I'm you and you're me, did you just do a whole video talking to yourself? Yes. Yes, I did.
Hey, would you